Okay, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. I've already cleaned up the whole street. Came out here with a leaf blower, blew everything in a nice pile. Got all my debris picked up. Even after my neighbor called the cops, I still cleaned in front of his house. But don't feel like I should have. But you know what? I'm not really too worried about it. Got a trash can full of cakes. All this right here. But yeah, he basically knew the cops in the fire department, and he had them waiting in undercovers over there. I was on good behavior. I was on good behavior the whole night. Nothing crazy, not even aerials. And then I brought my show out to the front of the house so we could watch it. Within 5 minutes or 4 minutes of the show, he came out with his hands in the air on the phone, calling his buddies. Got me a ticket, $500, which I'm gonna fight in court. I got a pretty good point. Let me bring that ticket and let me show you guys why I'm gonna fight it. Okay, so if there's an echo, I'm sitting in front of my house, so it kind of closed in a little bit. All right, so Clark County Fire Department, blah blah blah. Guys, I go by Philly. Well, Philly P Pyro. My name is Philip, but so that is the time. It's military time. That's 10:20 basically, and there's the date, July 4th. So I blacked out my name, my last name, my driver's license, my birthday, anything that creeps. But here's why I have a problem. It says first offense 500, seizure of fireworks. Nothing was seized. They get, unlawful possession of fireworks, which I did not claim when they pulled up. They asked me if they were my fireworks. I said no, I'm just wetting them. There was quite a few people outside. It could have been anyone. How dare they just blame me? Pick included. That don't mean nothing. Again, never admitted they were mine. So I have started a court. I'm going to start a court date. Now they're saying I have to pay this first before I get a court date. No, I don't think so. So I'm going to continue. I talked to the deputy of the fire department who actually gave me the person that wrote this citation's number, gave me his personal number, very unprofessional, but gave him a call. And he remembered clearly, but I told him that basically I want to dispute this ticket, that it's filled out incorrectly. I don't think it should hold up in court. And yeah, we'll go from there. But yeah, just want to let you guys know. Now let's get into the fireworks show. It was my sister-in-law that was recording the fireworks show. So you guys, if the camera's a little all over the place, I apologize. Earlier in the day when I was lighting a daytime firework, my camera fell off my tripod, which just added to the frustration. The screen, I couldn't get to come back on my phone. So I do apologize for the footage being not the best of quality, but I do hope you guys do enjoy the show. You guys will see the cops pull up on me. You will see me interact with the police. They even helped me pull my fireworks board into the driveway. Now, that's where I may have messed up, but when I told them, let's just get it out of the street, whoever's this is, let's just get it out of the street. That way, it's not impeding traffic. But yeah, they were cool with me. Nothing bad about law enforcement here, you guys. The fire department, the police, they were completely cool with me. They're just out doing their jobs. My problem is with that guy. So I'm not going to talk about it right now, but all year long, I've been good. You deserve whatever headache you get now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Philly P here. Happy 4th of July. Cheers to everyone. I've been very excited to start this day off with. Daytime celebration. I'm going to light this thing up. The sun is not quite there, but it's getting there. But yeah, let me get it in the backyard, get this lit up, and try to get the best view possible. All right, let's start this. That was loud. That's a legal cake.
That's loud.
That was a legal cake.
open the door. That's pretty. That was really pretty. And I don't care for fireworks.
Okay,
I think I recorded for this clip.
Record the whole thing in there.
I think you missed the good part.
It was flying fish. It looked like flying butterflies. Come back outside. When it starts going pink and blue, that's the best part. It's gonna go pink and blue very fast.
That was really cool. You're making me want to like fireworks. The neighbors call the cops.
think they're cool. For the views. Not for me, for him, for Phil. World Star. What do you mean? It is part of the vlog.
Well, you got you. Oh, you got it.
The baby's in there.
Just catches enough heat, it goes up. Hold on.
Leilani. Wait, that's her name, right? Leilani? Wait, what was her name? The baby's name.
Aria, Layla.
Layla. Oh. Layla. Her dad's fighting with the neighbors. I'm sure that he still will be in like 10 years from now.
That's what they find on the beach? Very cool.
You guys want to do yours?
We only do it once every 2 years.
Must be nice. Couples goals. Girl star. Oh, he's doing more. Oh, okay.